Hello. Hello. Mag-isa lang ako. Hello, Lawrence. Okay. So, gumawa lang ako nito para to greet you. Wala naman ako ibang kayang gawin. Okay. Happiest birthday to you, my son. Okay. Ayan, no? So, my prayers for you and your family. For you, my dear, that you may reach your dreams and plans in God's grace and will. Okay. For your wife, that you may continue to be together hand in hand through thick and thin, and you remain the most loyal, supportive, and loving husband to her. Yan, ha? Always assure her your love. Okay, sana magka-baby brad or sis na si Satoshi habang kaya ko pa mag-alaga. Okay? For your kids, I know you have big dreams for all of them. They all fall into place according to your plans, of course, with God, with the grace of God. No? So, ayan. Always thank God in all the blessings and all the blessings as circumstances, be it negative. Sometimes it happens for you to teach and make you stronger. Okay. We have gone through a lot of ups and downs, and I hope you are a witness. No? You are a witness that the hand of the Lord work in our lives and how we are modestly blessed. Okay. Even when there seems to be no hope. I never cease to pray for all of you. So loving you endless. Okay. Loving you all endless. Lahat kayo pantay-pantay. And of course, I'm proudest sa iyo kasi uh, from parang being mahina ang loob to stronger. Eh? Okay, so love you, Mama. Meron pang kasunod, saglit lang. Magdadrama lang ko ng konti. Kasi alam ko, hindi natin magawa ito face-to-face eh. Kasi hindi tayo sanay sa drama. Okay. Anyway, pagbigyan mo na ako on your birthday. Celebrate your day today and every day with your loved ones. So may it always be. Eh? Give thanks to God and pray for us too. Eh? Yes, even when you are sitting in, like now, I might not be instrumental in fulfilling all your goals, okay, but I'm happiest on whatever my kids may reach at their own strength. I'm just a prayer away from you and always be here to any one of you or my grandkids to support and share, to support and share a helping hand. Yan eh. Yan, kasi memorize ko yan kasi that is from the bottom of my heart at saka yan naman yung nakikita yung ginagawa ko sa inyo lahat. Okay? I'm not working just for myself. Okay? I'm not fighting for whatever is for us, just for myself. It is for all of you. Okay? And I would not end not telling you this, anak, because you deserve this. Thank you, anak, for being with us on our hard times. How you supported MM, Kuya, and JJ. How you supported Mama Sel when she was alive. Okay, hindi ko na isa-isahin kung kailan yun, but kahit na utang yun na binayaran ko, sa totoo lang ang mga kapatid mo, hindi sila agree na manghiram ako sa iyo or sasabihan ko silang humingi sila ng tulong sa inyo. Ayaw nila kasi hindi tayo lumaking palaasa eh. Hindi ko kayo pinalaki na palaasa kaya sila alam nila yon na yung problema nilang yan kakayanin nila on their own. Pero dahil ako nanay hindi ako makatiis kaya lumalapit ako sa iyo. And I'm thankful that you never closed your hands, no? Although, syempre, may andun yung apprehensive, mo na, baka umaasa na lang. But they are not. Okay? They are as strong as you. So, lumaki kayong ganyan kasi hindi ko kayo pinalaking maging palaasa o hindi pinaghihirapan ng mga binibigay ko sa inyo. So, I know you You might hate me for that, na medyo mahigpit ako noon pag may kailangan. O ito gawin nyo para pag kinita ninyo, it's yours. That is teaching you to become, self-reliant. Okay? That is why you are blessed, because you are a good steward of God. Yung pinakahinangaan ko lahat sa iyo, anak, yung kahit na walang matira sa iyo, hindi mo binawasan, yung i-promise mo ibibigay kay Mama Sel. So, yun yung proudest ko sa iyo na, okay? Ayan, kaya blessed ka. And, yan. I am proudest to you and your siblings kasi hindi kayo palaasa. They are just as resilient as you. Nakikita ko yun sa kanila. Paano sila dumiskarte. Lalo na si M, si kuya mo din, at si JJ din. Ano? So, I'm sure, parang hiwalay ko sila sa akin para matuto sila habang ako'y buhay pa. Kasi ang reason ko dyan, if ever you needed, which is nangyayari din naman sa kanila, although pinagsarili ko sila, when they need, hindi ako tumatanggi. I really make a way para meron akong maiabot sa kanila during that time na kailangan nila. So, ayokong matulad sila sa akin. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako kukuha ng iyaano ko sa inyo. Okay. All in God's grace, and my prayers are endless that you will all remain tight-knitted. So ito lang naman yung, this time, ito naman yung greatest hope ko kay God, na kayong magkakapatid, whatever happens to my siblings, no? Sa namin, sa generation nyo, hindi na mangyayari yun. Okay, you will remain tight-knitted. Someone from you should bend. Okay, should mend. Ba, o kung ano man yung problema. Or wala kayong kikilingan. Or hindi kayong manggagatong. Okay? So there will be no competition if kahit ngayon sa mga apo, yun ang ginagawa ko sa kanila. Huwag silang mag-away-away, huwag silang parang fault finder or negative ang nakikita sa kapwa. Okay? So, and you will never rip one another. Be the ladder. Okay? So they could climb up. Be the ladder. Everyone must become a ladder. Kung sino yung meron, sino yung kaya, o kahit hindi pa nga kaya, maging hagdan kayo, no? Maging way kayo para sa ikabubuti ng mga siblings nyo, ng mga pamangkin nyo, ng mga magpipinsan, lalo na sa mga grandkids. So, we begin from us. Okay? The tight-knitted family relationship. No matter what. Baga para tayo mga sanggang dikit. No? And if someone is falling down or someone makes a mistake, andun tayo para suportahan sila para makabangon kaagad. Okay? Ayan. So, yun lang yung bilin ko. At alam ko, yun din ang gusto ninyo sa pamilya natin. So, we're still praying. I never lose hope that my prayers for my own siblings too, na maayos pa siya. Okay? Bago man lang ako mawala sa mundong ito. Okay, so yan. Happy birthday again, and I love you so much. Well, I give credit to Je. Siyempre, hindi mo magagawa ang lahat ng yan kundi dahil kay Je. So kaya, kudos sa'yo, Je. I love you, love you, love you, love you so much. Okay? And Satoshi, I love you too. You're so sweet and witty, and basta, I really love you. I want to hug you all. Love you. Now, I don't know how to close this. Okay.